Alright, today we got a 95 Ford Ranger. This is a 2.3 standard shift. We're going to be changing this right here. Air control valve. Vacuum sucks here. Opens this up and lets water run into your heater core to blow hot air. So we're going to start off. We're going to take this intake boot, all this off out of the way because it sits right here. See my old one down there maybe. Yeah, right here. You got to take all this off to get to it. 5/16 or a straight screwdriver. Take it loose. I didn't take it all the way loose, but whatever. Loose. Put that over there. Don't want to lose this clamp. I probably need to put it back together. Take this, it runs to here, pull it up to this side. Again, I just took it, picked it up, and moved it over out of the way. As you can see, this is the second time this has happened to me. This is frozen busted. So, it won't work like that. So, I'm gonna take these clamps off. I actually had this just band-aided. I had it just run bypassed in it. I'm gonna take this out, put the new one in, hook it all up, find the vacuum line wherever it went, and there it is. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get all this on video, but in the picture, I think I'll upload a picture of it if I can onto the video. This one sits in here like this. Okay, this one goes here. This one goes here. Just like that. Vacuum line, hook it up, all this. Vacuum line just plugs in right here. It's got to run down through here like this. Okay, so the one that runs way down here to the bottom, it is actually supposed to go to the top hole like this. Okay. I know you would think it would be the other way around because this one's on top, but this one actually goes to the bottom. Just like this. Okay, that's how it goes. I'm gonna get these clamps on here because I'll probably struggle for a minute, and then I'll come back and fill it up with coolant and see how it works. Clamps on, vacuum line ran, got this ran back, tightened up. Top off your coolant. All nice and hot air. After you do this, you want to check, make sure your truck don't run hot, because it might need a little bit more coolant. You may have to try to might have some air in the lines. But hope this gets you guys fixed up. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. I got other videos. I cleaned out my blower motor and flushed the coolant and all that stuff. If you guys have any more questions about any of that, just leave them in the comments. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.